Shalom, Chaverim! We hope you had a great time yesterday doing your Bidikat Chametz, your search for your bread. We had fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I found a lot.
Olivia did find a lot, but together we found 10 scraps of bread. We kept them overnight, and we're now ready to burn the chametz because tonight is the first Seder, and then we're not going to eat any more bread through Passover. Okay, so we are going to start to light some newspapers while Olivia starts with her matches. Well, Olivia just asked, what are these Hanukkah candles for? So the reason I brought these out, burning of the bread is called Biur Chametz, burning of the bread. Some people actually burn candles that were left over from Hanukkah, and some people even save their lulav from Sukkot to burn it as part of the Biur Chametz before Passover. So we did not save our lulav, but we did have some leftover Hanukkah candles. So we will burn those with our bread, with our chametz. Yep, there is a little bit of wind, so we're going to have to kind of catch the newspaper on fire pretty quickly. Maybe we want to even light a little of the newspaper because it is very windy here, and that way it'll start to catch fire a little quicker. And then once we get enough...
Make sure you have a parent with you.
Definitely, that is a great point, Livia. Make sure you have a parent with you. You know what? If you drop some matches right into that, that will even light it up a little more. Let's watch. So you can even drop some right into the fire. We're going to put some of these, the Hanukkah candles. That will help grow the fire. Yep, go ahead. And then, you want to put the bag of bread?
Sure.
Good.
I'm going to put one more.
Some people, actually, the reason we use a wooden spoon is that some people... Is it? Yes, the whole bag? Nope, that's why we have a paper bag. Go ahead, drop it in. Okay, let's hope that catches fire. Here we go, we're gonna... Okay, some of our bread didn't quite catch fire, so we're gonna add a little fire to it while it finishes burning. And I think I started to say the reason that we use a wooden spoon is that some people burn everything they use for the Bidikat Chametz when they do the Biur Chametz. So everything is all burned up. We have no more chametz in the house, and we are ready tonight for our first Seder. I hope you're so excited for your first Passover Seder. Maybe you could let us know some of the things that you're doing. Are you using your kit of 10 plagues? Are you teaching people about the Bidikat or Biur Chametz? Tell us all about what you do with your families at your Seder, and I can't wait to share with you. Okay, our next video is going to be Shabbat. Oh, pre-Shabbat. Shabbaking, and we're going to do some yummy Passover breakfast foods that you can eat all day long. Okay, until then, L'hitraot, Chaverim. See you soon, friends.